Yes! Do you want to throw it back?
What's a throwback? Ah, it's so hard!
Hi everyone, what's up? My name is Juliacagas. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Today, I'm going to be doing a Teaching My Mom TikTok dances, joined by a very special guest. This is my mom. She looks like my sister, but she's not. So
I'm very dark right now.
So today we're going to be doing 3 dances. 1 easy, 1 medium, and 1 hard. But good enough for my mom. Let's get started. Before we start, we have to go over some fundamentals. Show me how you whoa.
What?
Do you know what a whoa is?
No.
This is me realizing it's going to be a lot more work than I thought it was going to be.
You bring it up and then go down. Again, ready?
Let me see how you do it.
Go up and down. That's pretty good. Okay, next. Now, let me see how you... Why is it so dark?
Alright, this is the beginning of my very bad lighting issues, so I raised up the ISO, which is basically the lighting of my camera, and it ruined this video quality, so I apologize, but I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
Okay, let me see how you whip. Okay, that was good. You know how to hit the folks?
No.
Okay, go down, left, whoop.
Oh.
Go. Yes! Okay, now that you've got the basics, we're gonna learn the first dance.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. This dance is very easy.
Oh my.
Okay, Rom. So this is what you're gonna do. 1, 2, shoot.
2, shoot.
Okay, and it goes shh. So it goes 1, 2, gun. Be quiet. Pew pew pew. 1, 2, 1, 2, shoot. This is the order. You want to go first, or do you want me to go first?
You first.
Go. Boom, good. That's done. Pew pew pew. And then you go. Okay, good. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna try to film it. We'll do one more time before we film. My phone here, so you guys can see us record it. I'll put the video over here. You guys can watch while we record it. Okay, ready? You first.
Cause that bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on you. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on you. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on you. Copycat nigga tryna
That was
copy
so
what?
good! That was so good! Okay, Mom, you passed the first level! It didn't even take long. My mom thinks she can't dance. She's pretty good. Comment down below. Okay, this one will be the hard one. The medium one. So you go boom, and this is what you call a mop.
Okay, let me see.
So mop. Yeah! Go ahead, mop. Up, and then you hit the whoa. Okay.
How's the whoa?
Go.
No.
Yeah. Okay, so you go.
Wait, how's the whoa again?
You go. Oh.
Whoa.
It's nice on my phone, but the lighting is weird.
Why is the whoa so hard?
It's not hard. You just. I think you can. There you go. That's how it's gonna look though with the music. That's it.
What kind of music
I'll show you
is this?
first. It's a song, but it's slowed down.
The musician in her is quaking.
Okay, ready?
What songs are these?
Okay, I'll do it again.
I don't like these songs. These That's hard, bro.
Okay, that's good enough, Mom. Okay, the last dance you have to learn is Savage.
Oh boy.
Really pale. Like my phone, I don't look that pale. Like, I'll show you guys how I look. This is how I look on my phone camera, but on the camera, it looks weird. Okay, you ready? Go. I'm a savage. You want one with the music first? Or you want it the savage? Clap. Savage. Like a whoa. And you're gonna go roll.
Roll. Snow.
Hello everybody, I'm a stinky dog. Yeah, the big go. You want to go? Okay.
This is Flavia's for you tomorrow.
Yay! on. Mom, I don't have a lot of time.
Why? It's so hard.
So you go, Mom. Mom, come over here. Do you want to throw it back?
What's a throwback?
Circle. Savage.
It's so awkward.
Ready?
Oh my gosh.
Of course, slow down.
Let me see you at tempo first.
Are you ready? You got
Help
this.
me,
You
help
got
me,
this.
help me.
Hey, so you back? I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Hacking, stupid. What was happening? What was happening? I'm a savage.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see more of my mom, you should
Follow me on Stuff Belle Says podcast.
Oh yeah, my mom has a podcast. You guys can follow that. I'll put her links right here. You guys can follow her.
Right here. Look how dark I am.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.